I'm Sally. Welcome to Fun and Diary. So this time I'll show you how I made this high heel cake topper. But before that, I wanna tell you a little story. At first, I added a popular brand name to this high heel label. And then to avoid any possible copyright issues that may happen, I censored this high heel label in this video. So sorry if the censors I made interfere with this tutorial. Okay then, let's get started. First, you need a template. I've attached the link to download the template in the description below. Then cut out the pictures of the parts of the high heel. Then I use a round styrofoam with a diameter of 8 cm to support the high heel. Because it is still too high for the high heel, I will cut the styrofoam 1.5 cm so it becomes 6.5 cm high. And I use 3 skewers so the styrofoam will not move. And next I will make the high heel sole. Then smooth the edges. Then I add a tissue to support the high heel to give it a sloping shape. And next I will make the insole. Then I brush it with water to attach the fondant insole. Then I give the stitch pattern with fondant embossing wheel. Next, I will make the high heel label. You can write with the words happy birthday or the brand of the high heel you want. Next, I will make the femme of the high heel. Next, the corner of the high heel. And next I'll add white edges for the high heel. next I'll make the heel. And the last, I will make a ribbon for the front of the high heel. Then I dried the fondant for 2 days before putting them together. So here it is, the high heel fondant cake topper. Do you like it? Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to turn on the notifications for my next interesting fondant cake topper tutorial. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!